Have you ever wanted to time travel to see what the future might be like? Hi, my name is Maria Crabtree, and I am the Director of Strategic Foresight Projects at KnowledgeWorks.
My name's Jason Swanson, and I serve as the Senior Director of Strategic Foresight here at KnowledgeWorks. We'd like to invite you to time travel with us 10 years into the future. Our session, Choose Your Own Adventure, Learning Market Day 2036, will invite participants to step into the year 2036 to experience a future where education systems offered learners and their families many opportunities and access to a vast menu of providers.
A Learning Market Day is the day when learners enroll in learning experiences. Participants will choose their own adventure by taking on the role of a learner, a parent, or a caregiver during a Learning Market Day in 2036. In their role, they will explore a wide menu of educational experiences and assemble a learning journey that meets the learner's needs in a future characterized by ubiquitous artificial intelligence, redefined public systems, and everyday instabilities such as climate change. We appreciate your support in voting for our session and hope to see you in the future.
Thank you.